Hey, and namaste. I'm Zay with Xude Yoga, and today we're going to be tapping into a practice for those that tend to hold their breath. This is a continuation of the Unclenched series, so we're going to be walking through some deep breathing exercises, including alternate breath, fire breathing, and then also treating our body like an accordion during this practice. So as we inhale, we expand. As we exhale, we contract. So remembering to follow your breath, follow your body. And I have some koshi chimes for the end of the practice. Let me know how the session has treated you. Let's get into it. Let's begin this practice by grounding into our bodies before we move into progressive breathing. So rooting into your mat or whatever surface you're working on, getting into a comfortable position. And once you are there, closing your eyes gently, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your jaw, relaxing your lower back. Taking a deep inhale through your nose, expanding your stomach. Exhaling out of your nose and contracting. Deep inhale. Exhale, let go. Following your own rhythm here. Maybe holding at the top of each breath. You can keep your eyes closed here, or you can open them. We're going to move into progressive breathing. So we're going to work our way. We're going to take a 3-second inhale, then a 3-second out, exhale. A 4-second inhale, 4-second exhale. And doing this until we reach 9 or 10, just seeing how we feel. And let's move through. So taking a deep inhale, exhale, 1, 2, 3, inhale, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, inhale, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, breathing through your nose, inhale, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, inhale, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, inhale, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, inhale, unclenching, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one, you got this. Inhale. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathing normally. Exhale. Inhale. Out the nose, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Alternate breathing. So we're going to take either hand, taking our thumb and middle finger, placing our thumb on one nostril. You're going to inhale through one side, and then you're going to cover the other side with your middle finger and exhale. Then inhale, cover, exhale. Inhale, cover, exhale. So following that rhythm, placing one thumb on your nostril and closing, taking a deep inhale, close, exhale. Inhale, close, exhale. Inhale, close, exhale. Doing this at your own pace, bringing ease into your body. Continuing to relax. Last one. Make it big. Breathing through both nostrils. Deep exhale. Treating our body like an accordion. As we inhale, we're going to bring our chin back, chest forward, really opening up and expanding. Exhale, chin to chest and contract. Moving at your own pace. Doing this for a moment. Exhaling however you need to. This is your body. This is your practice. I'm just here as a guide. Allow yourself to move however you need to. Make any modifications or adjustments that you may need here. We're going to begin creating circles with the top of our head and our hips and our shoulders. As you inhale, arching your spine, bringing your chin back. Exhale, curling forward, rotating in either direction, and doing this at your own pace. Slowing down your movement with your breath. The deeper your breath, slower the movements. And reverse. And bring our chin to our chest, slowly rolling our body back into a neutral spine, bringing our arms over our head as we inhale. Exhale, grounding into your body, and then bringing your arms to the side. Inhale, arms up, expanding upwards. Exhale, ground. Inhale, palms up and reach. Exhale. This time, as you inhale, bring your arms up, interlacing your fingers and breathing through the center of your stomach, keeping yourself extended. Shoulders down and back. Deep inhale. Exhale, release. All right, we're gonna come onto our back. Stretching our legs out. Taking a moment to breathe into the center of your stomach. Allow your body to just surrender. Completely relax. Just be here in this moment. And with an inhale, bring your knees in towards your chest. Giving yourself a hug. And breathing here. Trying your best to keep the base of your spine as close to the surface as possible. Giving yourself a hug, maybe even cradling yourself, rocking from left to right. Whenever I feel a bit of discomfort with my body or I'm feeling anxiety, I like to get into this position just so I can feel like a baby again, you know? Placing our heels on the earth, windshield wiping our knees from left to right. Exhale, knees go outward. As you inhale, knees to center. Exhale, knees to the other side. Maybe even incorporating your upper body by twisting to the opposite side that your knees are going, coming into a twist. Still following your breath. And back to center. Once we're here, as we inhale, we're going to shift our hips upward, coming into a bridge. And exhale, lower. Inhale, bridge. Exhale, lower. Inhale. Exhale. Making each breath deeper. Inhale. Exhale. Last inhale, make it your deepest and hold. And exhale, bring your hips to the earth, bring your knees to your chest, giving yourself one last hug. And you know what, we're already here, and let's happy baby. Grabbing onto the outsides of our feet, elbows come to the insides of our knees, spine flat as we rock. Deep inhales to the center of your stomach. And exhale, release. Rocking onto your side. Taking a moment for yourself. Taking your top palm, pressing into the earth. Coming back into a seat. Coming into a nice, comfortable position of your choice. We're going to move into fire breathing. Being careful here, really taking your time. Listening to your body. So to start, we're going to take a deep inhale through your nose. Exhaling out your mouth. Inhale through your nose. Exhaling out of your mouth. And now we begin. We inhale through your nose. Now expel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale through your nose. And exhale, move how you need to. Taking deep inhales and exhales. Closing out this practice, we're going to get into a nice, comfortable position. Feel free to get in Shavasana or come into a nice, comfortable seat. Tapping into some koshi chimes, into live sound. We have water and the element of earth. Closing your eyes, relaxing your mind, relaxing your body. Whenever you feel uneasy, whenever you feel stressed, or you're just wanting to feel more present, knowing that you have access to your breath at any time. Giving yourself the space to surrender. Giving yourself the opportunity to unclench. And this practice will be here waiting for you whenever you need it. Thank you so much for tuning in and allowing me to guide you through this practice. And until we flow again, namaste.